I'm very happy that मुझे यहाँ पे invite किया गया. It's very prestigious. I feel very honored, and it's something that we all are doing it for Women's Day. I'm a woman, and I think all the women in the world, have a right to pamper themselves and to get pampered and to feel wanted. So I think this is a great way that Femina, in collaboration with Max and Life Trust, has come together, and we all are doing something special for women. मेरा स्टाइल बहुत सिंपल है. मैं बहुत ही एक जीन्स एंड टी शर्ट काइंड ऑफ अ गर्ल हूँ. वेरी लेस एक्सेसरीज. आई थिंक मैं सबसे ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल. In fact, I love loose t-shirts with just ripped jeans or just very comfortable basic clothing. So I'm not much of a dress person. I like dresses occasionally, but my day-to-day life, I'm just in a jeans and a t-shirt. As a kid, I used to celebrate Holi really well. I still remember we had this pool where we used to put a lot of colors, and whoever used to come to our house, we used to throw them in the pool. And my mother was very notorious. She would even inject bhang in fruits. I don't know if that's legal, and I just said it. Please don't catch hold of it. But yeah, I think Holi is one colorful event, and I love Holi. So me and my cousins, we've also played Holi, bursting eggs on each other's head and faces and all. So it's been now over the years, I've grown into a lot more mature and a sober person. So we don't play Holi with eggs now. It's a cleaner Holi with a skin-friendly color. I want to work for. It's a huge list. I'm just hoping all those people who are there on my list are willing to work with me as well, because I have a really huge list, of directors and people who I would want to work with in the movie business. Yes, are you saying for it that one should definitely be there out there for? In fact, I'm traveling tomorrow for one of a social cause as well. I would not want to commercialize it, but I think it's very imperative for we as an individual person who are very, very well privileged to be well educated and to be brought up in a good family, to be able to be out there for people who are underprivileged and show some compassion and work towards bringing them up also with that much love and affection, and be able to provide them education and support them, motivate them in a way. So I think it's a great thing. It's sad that when you read things, crime against women, and when you hear about feticide and all of that. So yeah, I'm just hoping that this nation becomes a better place for women all the more, and we start. We should start working at an individual level to be able to take up responsibility for the underprivileged.
Keep watching and subscribe to Bollywood Wala now.